Hi, it's Lee. Welcome to another Learn English with Lee, and welcome to the final video looking at future simple. Whew, yeah, I know. You really didn't think that future simple was this complicated, right? You just thought, future simple to talk about the future. Not really. Even though I know, as I said in the videos before, this is how future simple is usually taught at the elementary level, and it basically works. But moving up pre-intermediate, intermediate, a lot of my students use the future simple, and yes, it's kind of correct, but something about it sounds wrong, and it's because they're using future simple in a very general way to talk about the future and not looking at the 5 different functions which we've been looking at in the previous videos. Okay, just to review those previous functions, we had future simple in first conditional sentences, we had future simple making spontaneous decisions, we had future simple for making suggestions or offers, and we had future simple for making promises. So this video, the final video in the series, is going to look at future simple for making predictions. Okay, what is a prediction? What does this word mean? Well, the noun prediction, or the verb to predict, means when you say something about the future. Because of course we don't know the future, right? We're not special, we're not Harry Potter, we don't have magical abilities. The future is unknown, but we can guess about the future, and when we guess about the future, we are making a prediction. So the weather forecast on TV, when it says tomorrow will rain, yeah, they don't know it will rain, but they really think tomorrow will have rain. So they are making a prediction about the weather. But before we look at future simple for making predictions, let's bring our good friend going to in, and let's have a quick look, because we can use going to about the future when we know something definitely 100% happen in the future. So this is not many things. Again, we don't have magical abilities, but there are some things about the future which 100% happen. Okay, for example, we are all going to die. Okay, I know it's a depressing example, but it is 100%, right? I mean, there's no doubt about this example. So if we have an example which is 100% definite, totally sure, we can use going to talk about the future. But most situations, we are not 100%. So most situations are not objective. They are subjective. So let's have an example. How about in the future, me, Lee, hello, become a father, become a dad, have little Lee, Lee the second. Probably happen, right? Maybe not. Okay, yeah, who knows? Nobody knows the future, but I think so. I think so. So in this situation, I would not use going to. I would use will. And I would say, I think I will be a father or be a dad one day. Or to make it more natural with the contraction, because in spoken English, if you can contract, you should contract. So I think I'll be a dad one day. Now you can see the difference, right? I don't know about this. It's not objective. It's just my feeling about the future. Hey, maybe be a father, maybe not. I really hope so. I really think so. But I don't know 100% for sure, do I? So I can't use going to. If I say I'm going to be a father one day, it sounds like I have some special information from the universe which is telling me about the future, and I don't. So for this reason, when we use future simple to make predictions, we add I think at the beginning. I think I'll be a dad one day. I think the party will be fun. And in this example, yeah, to be honest, okay, me being a father one day, I really think so. I mean, hey, why not? Okay, so I can make my sentence, I think I'll be a dad one day, I can make it stronger by adding an adverb, like probably. So I can say, I think I'll probably be a dad one day. And it's making my prediction, it's still a prediction, but it's making it a little bit stronger. What's more, I can make it even stronger by changing the adverb probably to the adverb definitely, and say, I think I'll definitely be a dad one day. Now, I know what you're thinking. We use definitely, to describe situations which we know are 100%. So if the situation is 100%, then I can use going to, right? And say, I'm going to be a dad one day. And yeah, that is actually a good point, and it's a very subtle point. It's a nuance. Actually, if I say I'm going to be a dad one day, like I said, it feels like I've received information about the future, and I don't know it's going to happen. It's going to happen, and I'm receiving the knowledge. But if I say I think I'll definitely be a dad, I'm just using definitely to add emphasis to the sentence. I think it's my prediction. I don't know the future, but I'm using definitely to add emphasis to my desire. Yeah, I really want to be a dad one day. So yeah, I think I'll definitely be a dad one day. But to be honest, don't really worry about the small details, the nuances too much. Just keep in your mind at this stage that we can use future simple to make predictions about the future. And we usually add, I think, at the beginning to really emphasize that it's just my prediction, just my feeling. And if we want to make that prediction, make that feeling a little bit stronger, we can use adverbs before the main verb. Okay, that's it. That's future simple done. Whew, I know, like I said before, you didn't think this was going to be so complicated, did you? But this happens a lot in English. So future simple, it's one construction, subject plus will plus infinitive without to, but it actually has different functions. And we've spoken about 5 different functions. Another good example is present perfect, a very difficult tense for many students. And again, it's because it's one tense, it's one construction, but it has 3 different functions. So the most important thing when you're studying grammar is to think, what is the function? How do I really use this? What situation is the most natural to use this? So any grammar that you're studying, grammar must be connected to use. Okay, cool. Any questions, please let me know in the comments section. I'm going to upload in the future a grammar exercise video looking at all of the different future forms. So future simple, going to, and present continuous for the future too. So please check that if you have time. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.